Hi, my name is Eden Hagos and I'm the founder of BlackFoodie.
My name is Mogau Seshoene. I am a chef, an entrepreneur, and a cookbook author from South Africa.
My name is Samhar Araya, and on behalf of Facebook, we are hosting our 4th series of our 5-part series on digital diasporas and African food, culture, and lifestyle across the African diaspora with our partner Dine Diaspora.
So digital technology is so important to the African diaspora because it really connects us to back home. It connects us to current events, to new business opportunities.
It's largely how we are able to connect. It's so exciting that in 2020, we're basically able to break down all these walls that were between us and connect using technology.
For me, it means that I have this automatic connection to the motherland.
I love that we can connect from wherever we are in the world, and this just almost increases our community and our world and just opens up so many opportunities.
So today's conversation, building an online community of Black food culture enthusiasts, will be brought to you by our special guest, Eden Hagos. I want to jump right in and get into our conversation.
Hey everyone, I hope you guys are feeling good this morning and ready to jump into this discussion. I grew up in a family that was really, really excited about food. Now we're bringing in these people and showing them how important it is to work with Black creators and to do partnerships in this way. And I'm excited to see them opening their eyes. So as I built BlackFoodie, there were a number of lessons, like I mentioned. And one of the biggest lessons that I want to share with you guys is it's really critical that you have your own unique voice. Being consistent is a big part of growing your audience online.
What are some of the sort of lessons or tips that you got about monetizing BlackFoodie?
For me, for example, food is such a big part of travel. So when I was looking at what opportunities exist for BlackFoodie, I started hitting up tourism boards. So think kind of broad, I guess think outside of the box, but also think about where your community shops and what voice you have to that community.
Right now, I want to bring you to our special guest, Mogau Seshoene, who is based in South Africa. Mogau, I love everything you've been doing, and this is such an exciting conversation we're about to have.
Thank you so much to everyone for joining today. So some of my achievements have been taking what started as sort of a passion project and really growing it into a business. I wanted to go to culinary school, convincing publishers who are primarily white, finding the balance between your growing brand as well as brand partnerships. Some of the lessons, definitely authenticity is absolutely key. Our communities are not going to engage with content or with products that don't speak to them. There's no reason for you to stop. I mean, through social media, the opportunity exists to create your own unique voice that nobody else has. I'm putting stuff out there that aligns ultimately with the brand. And then collaboration is everything.
I think a lot about your name as a company, the Lazy Makoti. Can you tell us a little bit about how that's worked for you? Because not everyone understands your language around the world, and yet you are everywhere, right?
So for those that don't know, Makoti means daughter-in-law. That's the literal meaning of Makoti. South Africans, when they hear the name, people immediately connect before they even know what it is that you do. So I encourage anyone, if you're thinking about a name for your business, just think about where that name is going to go. I always say, if you're not going to put it on if you would never put it on a billboard, then it's not the right name.
Thank you to Dine Diaspora for co-hosting, and thank all of you for joining us.